this 0 to 50, including the dust, and this is dust transported without washing as per the requirement of the clients. Water sprinklers are there. Four sizing are there: 0 to 50, more than 50, 0 to 10, and 10 to 50. So more than 50 and 10 to 50 are being washed under coal washery, and 0 to 50 and 0 to 10 are not being washed in the coal washery because some clients are required without wash or without dust, with the dust. So washing is not required. You can see this is the water sprinkling, and for fugitive dust control they are using regular water sprinklers so that the dust should be avoided at the source only. Noise is also there. You can feel this is the grinder only. Four sizes are there, and this conveyor belt is for 0 to 10, and the last one is for more than 50. BC to D is for more than 50. This is CSP area, and this is the size of coal will is 10 to 50. Zero to 50 they are going to load into the trucks, and these are the trucks being utilized for the transportation of the coal from the site Paras Coal and Power Limited. Paras Power Limited. And this is the raw material for coal washing. These are the sizes. The coal is being transported in the trailers. Loading and unloading is by manual method. क्या नाम है आपका भैया? हाँ, विजय कुमार जी। कहाँ से हो आप? हाँ, आपको कितना पैसा मिलता है काम करने का? 220 रुपये डेली का मिलता है।
हाजिरी में 220 रुपये, ठेका में है।
आप ठेका में हो? अच्छा। These are different sized coal, and here is 0 to 10. It is in the form of dust. So some proponents, some industries requires 0 to 10 mm size of the coal in the form of dust for as a fuel. So this is not being washed in the coal washery, and this is directly sent to the thermal power plants or some industries, not thermal power, and the rejects from the coal washery is being sent to the thermal powers. You can see this is 0 to 10, and now it is closed. And there is no green belt in this crusher area due to high fugitive emission, and this is more than 50. The size of this coal is more than 50 mm. So this arrangement with the conveyor belt is for the coal of more than 50 mm size. This is Paras Power and Coal Washery. Here 4 different sizes of the coal.